There's trillions of them coming. Trillions!
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you an important news flash. Be on the lookout for the 17-year cicada. It's a big bug with red eyes who's been underground for 17 years. It is coming up to ground level to mate and then die, so it is extremely horny. Handle with care and do not try to excite it or give it the wrong idea. Wear very modest clothing, and whatever you do not lead it on. 1 trillion horny bugs is very dangerous. That is all. We now return you to your regularly scheduled program.
Oh my God! A trillion cicadas! Holy shit! Cicadas are coming! Holy shit! How the hell do you protect yourself from a trillion cicadas? How do I prepare for this? Every 17 years? How did I know it's 17 years? I got spray. I got wasp and hornet. Is cicadas listed here? Holy shit! I don't believe it! What's next? Oh my God! Where are they? Where are they? How come I don't hear them? What do they sound like? There's trillions of them coming. Trillions! Not hundreds, not thousands, but trillions! Oh my God! I'll get in the car. I gotta get away from the cicadas! Oh my God! Why don't you shut up? You're old news! The cicadas are coming! Oh my God! First it was bread and milk, then bomb cyclone, then thunder snow, then bombogenesis, and then COVID-19, then the coronavirus, vaccination, wash your hands, mask, social distance, and now cicadas! I'll hide in the shed, that's what I'll do! Made a hornet! Don't you guys eat cicadas? Cicadas! I can't believe cicadas and all the shit that's going on. What the fuck are you doing here? I can hear them. A trillion cicadas are coming. Wait a minute. Cicada. That's an Italian name. Maybe they're hungry and they just want a nice meal. That's it. Lucy, we need to make some pasta. The cicadas are coming over. I'm gonna go to Lavoni's and get a few million mutches and bread. Take out your biggest pot. The cicadas are coming. Do we have any wine? The cicadas are coming.